You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video. Anyway, on with the race.
Oh, I got a good start there. I'm away. Oh, nice change. Oh dear, I've dropped him. And I'm pulling. This can't be right. I'll tell you what, let's do one more just to make sure it's consistent. Now, he got a better start that time, but look at this. See ya. I'm telling you, Toyota has got more than 340 horsepower out of this car because I just blew that Z4 away.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Toyota Supra did the standing quarter mile in 12 seconds, while the BMW Z4 took 12.5 seconds.
Now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Cars are in their normal setting or comfort for the BMW and automatic. So I'm going to count this in. 3, 2, 1, go! This kicked down way quicker. And we're going to keep going. I am just increasing my lead over him. Look at this. See if we can get up to the limiter. Now there's not so much in it. Maybe it's all the fake vents in this car are causing drag, but I think we're done. Yeah, that's enough of that.
Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.